everybody. Welcome to the weekly vegan video. Today we're having girl dinner. Well, tonight we're having air fryer nachos with the new revamped yellow sauce, also known as nacho sauce. What do they call that? Cheese sauce. Vegan cheese sauce. Ooh.
You're right there.
No.
And
I almost knocked over the whole table.
I've been known to enjoy a cocktail or two.
I have not been drinking. Alright, so this is my new... Sean, I listened to you do a whole lamb chop show. Can you give me like 5 minutes to film a video now, please? Yes, thank you. So this is my go-to girl dinner for taco night lately. I don't do the whole like mince anymore, like Impossible Brick or Beyond Brick. I have been loving these. Are you gonna start eating? Would you like some black bean and corn salsa with your chip?
Okay, I just want to experience the line.
All right. Thanks. I've been enjoying these plant-based taco filling packets from Aldi. We used to get these when they were in the packaging for Loma Linda. So they're the same thing. And they're still fantastic. And they make life really simple. So if you hadn't realized, I got a new air fryer. It's this little spaceship copier machine thing over here. And this is the tray that comes with it. It's nice and big and flat. And the great thing about this air fryer is that it has a heating element on the bottom and it has a heating element on the top. So it cooks super fast and it gets the bottom and the top cooked at the same time. So that's what makes it fantastic, because the air fryer that I had before, the heating was only at the top. And that's a bummer, because the bottoms of things wouldn't be as good, like if you wanted to do pizza in there or something. So this is perfect. I made a pizza in here for Kristen the other day, and she loved it. It came out fast too. It was only like, I think like 7 minutes maybe. But anyway, I'm gonna start loading up this pan and get this in the air fryer. And then we're going to make the yellow sauce, because people have been asking, what's in your yellow sauce now? And it's my homemade yogurt. So this is a jar of my homemade... Thanks, rice cooker! It's a jar of my homemade soy yogurt. And it is fabulous, and it is so thick. Let's see if we can take a look at this. This is like the Greek style of soy yogurt. Look at how beautiful and thick this is. And it's so tangy. It's perfect when you're doing a mock cheese sauce, because it's got that cheese tang to it. Because cheese is not just milk. It's cultured. So when you do a vegan cheese, you have to replace that culture taste with culture. So this soy yogurt was cultured. Same thing when you get the Miyoko's butter. It tastes so much better because it's cultured. And that doesn't mean it was sent to a private school and educated in the south of France. Where? No, it doesn't go to the opera either. It goes in the Instant Pot for about 14 hours. And it tastes amazing. Alright, so let's... you heard the rice cooker. That is my yellow rice, which is going to be a little side for the nacho tray. So let me see how we're going to do this here. So you saw that let me pull out my screen. You saw that I have my tray here. I'm going to start out with these stale chips. They're a little bit stale, but they're still good. They have a heart of gold. So I'm going to put a layer of the nacho chips in the bottom because we're having nachos. Nachos. It's not even Super Bowl. I'm going to do 2 packs of the taco filling. These are super simple. I just did the hardest part, and that was opening the top part. I'm just going to dump it in. I mean, this is basically a girl dinner dump. So easy. Second packet going in. After working all day, the last thing I want to do at 7 o'clock is try and throw together a from scratch dinner. I feel like maybe that's okay once or twice a week. I mean, on the weekends, I don't mind so much. Certainly not Saturday, though, because when I get home from shopping with the fam, I don't want to have to rush and do something from scratch. So this is perfect. We got 1 can of dark red kidney beans. We're just going to sprinkle them on. This is not only going to be easy, this is going to be healthy, too. I got 1 can of black beans going in. If you didn't want to do the yellow sauce, you could probably top it with the shreddies from like either Trader Joe's or like Violife or Aldi. The you know, cheddar. I used to try and say cheddar shreddies fast. Then I also, keeping with the bean theme here, I have my fat-free refried pinto beans. I think these are pinto beans. If you're a vegan or a vegetarian, be careful when you get your refried beans, because if you get traditional, most of the time it has lard in it. And lard is not vegan or vegetarian. Sometimes they don't say vegetarian. So if you get ones that are fat-free, you're pretty sure to be safe and not have any animal products in there. So I'm just not putting it in like the cranberry sauce on Thanksgiving, because you could pull this whole thing out and it would be like a little barrel. But I like to break it up right out of the can and get it on here. Get it on. Alright.
Just put it all in the blender, we'll drink it.
No, that's disgusting.
Have Mexican smoothie.
No, I don't want a Mexican smoothie, husband. Sorry. Alright. Yes, you may take those chips. I'm done with them for right now.
Cool. That's all.
He just came... No, I need it. He just came in from doing yard work, so he's a little bit hungry. But this is... The good news is... This is gonna... Let me have some, too. Damn, that's good. I could just eat that for dinner. I'm just gonna drizzle. Ooh, it's a little spicy. It's got a little kick. I'm gonna drizzle some of this, not all of it, on here. We just really like this type of salsa. Even though it looks like baby poop. But look at that. Oh my God, that's a veritable feast. And you would say, but there's only 3 of you. Who's eating all this food? We eat it for dinner. Both Mark and Sean take it for lunch, and then Maddie and I, and sometimes Kristen, eat it for lunch the next day too. So this has got to be for like at least 7 servings, I would think. Is it 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, at least 7, if not 8 servings. So I do make massive quantities of food, and it does get eaten. So I'm going to put this in the air fryer. Oh, it's so simple. then there's only one pan to wash too, and you just saw it. So the rice is ready. I'm going to turn on the air fryer. And you know what? These buttons don't mean a damn thing. The thing that is important here is the temperature and the time. So 390 is pretty much the hottest. This probably goes up to 400. So I want this done fast. I'm going to put this for 16 minutes. And we're going to start. And when that's done, we'll be ready to eat. But in the meantime, I'm going to be making the yellow sauce. Isn't that wonderful? It's so quiet. It's almost like a little white noise machine that you use when you sleep. Alright, so this yellow sauce has never been easier than it is right now. Never been easier. Let's stick you up here. This is 12 ounces of homemade soy yogurt. I'm going to put most of this in here. I'm going to say that's about 8-ish ounces. That's going to be most of the liquid. I'm just going to eat this. Damn, that's delicious. I've been eating that for breakfast most mornings, and it has been a delight. Alright. Now we have our Nooch, nutritional yeast. This is what's going to give it the cheesy flavor. I usually don't measure this, but for the sake of you guys today, I'm putting in 3 heaping tablespoons. Alright. You eat with your eyes as well as your mouth. So these roasted red peppers are going to give it color and flavor. And you want to use the liquid that comes in with this, as long as it doesn't have like oil in it. Like this is just peppers, water, sea salt, and citric acid. That's fine. But like if you get the marinated ones, don't put all that oil in there. Just don't get the marinated ones. Just get the fire roasted red pepper ones. Now this is a 10-ounce jar. This is good for 2 batches of yellow sauce usually. Sometimes I'll put more. I don't usually put less than this though. This is half the jar with the juice in it. So we're just going to put that in there. Smells so good already. Now we're going to need some more flavoring. So I have taco seasoning. I'm going to say 2 tablespoons. Exactly. And then you're sitting on the... Oh, this table's a mess right now. I got to clean this in a minute. Whoops. For extra creaminess, this is also going to give a beautiful mouthfeel because it's a nut. I'm just going to put in a handful of raw cashew nuts. Don't try and do this with not raw nuts. It's not going to work the same. It's got to be raw. Sometimes I'll use cashew. Sometimes I'll use macadamia. Sometimes I'll use hemp seeds. But I like to have a little something something in there. So now we're going to go over to the blender and blend this. If it's too dry, you can add a little bit of soy milk or any kind of plant-based milk. If you're watching your calories, you could probably add 1/4 cup of water. But let's see how this will blend, if it will blend. So let's go to the... I just refilled the dish towels here, and they are overflowing. Alright, let me flip my screen. There's too many dish towels here, but I just washed a whole bunch of them. Alright, so let's blend. Start off on low, bring it up to high. Full disclosure, I did scrape down the sides one time. And then I finished blending. It's a beautiful nacho cheese looking sauce, and it tastes like nacho cheese as well. That's the important part. So, do you require this sour cream on top, or are you good with, because this is in here.
I guess not.
All right. So we got 8 minutes left on the sheet pan, air fryer sheet pan thing happening. I'm gonna do taco salad for me, so I'm gonna have salad because I love veggies, and I have veggies pretty much at every meal, including breakfast most days. So veggie or fruit. Sometimes I'll eat a whole bag of frozen veg for breakfast or with my breakfast. So you can see it's looking good in there. We'll come back in when the air fryer's done. Y'all come eat. Alright, so I've got my salad base here.
I was just thinking that.
Yeah?
Mind reader.
I'm gonna add some rice. Not too much. Maybe just a little more.
This is for Sean.
Alright, well. Yeah, that's perfect. You really slopped it up.
You made me do it.
No. Alright, so then here's the other stuff out of the air fryer. Don't slop it up. It's beautiful. You already spoiled your dinner though by eating the leftover taco chips. Or should I say tortilla chips. Alright, sauce it up.
You know what? That's super thick.
What is?
Sauce.
No, it's not.
You don't think it's thick?
No, it'll pour. Oh, that looks so good.
Bullseye.
Lovely. You gonna taste it?
That's some good yellow.
That was cheap. That was super cheap. Alright, well that's Sean's.
I'll have a little taste.
Alright. Girl dinner. Alright. That's what you do when you want to have dinner in a hurry and you don't want to get takeout.
Why does it have to be a girl dinner?
It's just a thing that people say.
Oh, I had a plate for you and you got a bowl?
Yeah, I got a big bowl because I'm the only one apparently that cares about my colon. Alright. The salad.
Have salad on a plate, you know.
I know, but I don't see you having any salad.
Put it away.
No, it's right here.
That's lettuce, that's not salad.
We have this argument all of the time. Lettuce versus salad. I just call anything that is lettuce salad. And you insist that a salad is lettuce plus
tomato,
other stuff,
onions,
dressing. Sorry, it's just what I grew up, get that salad out of the fridge or what, Enjoy your dinner.
I'm gonna.
Let me know if you try the new yellow sauce. It's great not only on Mexican night, but you can put it on a baked potato, you could put it on broccoli. You could do a lot of stuff with it. You could dip your sandwich in there. You could change up the seasoning, like if you didn't want the nacho seasoning, I would just go with like a regular seasoned salt, perhaps. Obviously not 2 tablespoons though. I would do maybe, I don't know, 3/4 of a teaspoon. Maybe start with half a teaspoon. You could always add more, but it's really tough to take it out. But yeah, that's
Crispy.
right. And those were stale. They're not anymore.
No.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching, guys. Let me know if you give it a try. And until next time, much love.